Hello friends, so today we can discuss or actually talk about one more life hacks which I generally used while working out so that I do not get distracted. And just I mean what I say in the thumbnail, only one paper can help you to save a lot of time and save your life. So because first I want to brief what this paper is, why this is helpful for me for a long time, and why you can also use this strategy to improve in your life and work without more distractions. So why this paper is important for you is I use this paper as my distraction manager. Okay, so why this paper is known as a distraction manager for me. So the thing here is, generally when we work, we try to float in the air. We open our laptop, we open our books, and whatever we want to do, we start to concentrate on it, and then it can happen that a notification just pop up. Okay, and then or you just think about something you want to search online, or some another task come to your head, and then whatever you start to think that I will do this work for 1 hour, let's assume any work, you want to do coding, or you want to like read a book, or you want to finish some chapter, you think that you will complete this work in 1 hour, and then what will happen that you drift in this thin air around you, and then you move with the flow. You will go somewhere else. You want to do some task, and then you'll drift around. So this is the way I think most of us procrastinate and do not try to focus on one work, and thus this one paper can help you a lot. Okay, so you just tear out one paper, or like you can also maintain a copy, but I usually take out one paper because keeping 2-3 copies, you have to take one copy for notes, one for rough work, one for this thing also. So there will be a lot of copies and textbooks around you, so it will be very difficult. So just take out one paper. You can also take out half a paper, whatever you want, and then what you can do here is just take that paper out and just concentrate on your work for 1 hour. If you want to do some work for 1 hour, just concentrate on that, and whatever, anything which comes to your mind, any question, anything, just write that down on the paper. Don't do that work right now. If you write this down, if you write this task down somewhere else, then your mind get tricked that this task will not, like I will not forget this task later. You can tell your mind that okay, I have told my work to my manager, he will like compile it out and tell me what I have to do next, because you will not be working for like 5 hours straight now. So you will work like 1 hour, maximum 1.5 hour, and then take a break of 1.5 hour, so, or like a half hour, sorry. And then what you can do, you have compiled down all your things you want to do. So when you get a half hour, you can like easily check those points out and can work on that. And thus, usually my mind or anyone's mind think that if I do not do this task right now, like if you are doing some work, and if you, let's assume that you think that I want to see some picture, you want to see some post, or maybe I should do some work, or I should open some song, or I should watch some movie, video, anything else, anything in this wide world which pops out to your mind, you just drift in that way and forget about the work you are doing currently, and thus you will waste around half an hour, 1 hour in that work, and when you come to this work around, the time has passed. So what you can do, you just write down anything, the work which is 1 minute of like any task which will take you 1 minute or 1 hour, we don't matter, anything which comes to your mind, just write that down on a paper. And because if you write down the thing on your paper, then what will happen that you tricked your mind that I will work this, like I will work on this thing later, but I have something more difficult or more concentrating work now, so that I have written down this thing, I will do this in 1 hour or after 1 hour or anything else. And like believe me, this happens to me a lot of time, and this technique has saved me from a lot of time in concentrating, and you know that I have made so much videos. This technique has helped me a lot in making those types of videos, because I always concentrate, anything which comes to my mind, I just write them down on the paper, and it helps me a lot. Okay, and the thing here is, you can also try it out on yourself, or tell one of your friends, and then write them down in the comment box how you feel after 1 week. It's definitely going to help you. If not, if you have some recommendation, you can also mention it in the comment box. I will try to read them and reply to you as much as possible. Now talking about the pros and cons, I don't think so there's one more cons. It might happen that you have some urgent work now, so try to do that, no problem. But if you can do that work after 1 hour, or like if some task pops out, if you want, or if you can do that task after 1 hour also, just write it down. If it's a compulsory or it's a task which you have to do it right now, then don't try to write it down on a distraction paper, because you have to do that task right now. Okay. And it happens to me a lot of time that I sometimes write down so much task that I do not get free time. Like after 1 hour I think, or I see at the distraction paper and I think that, oh, these 10 things have distracted me, like I have to do these 10 things now. So that 10 things actually like cures my mind, that I think that if I would have been doing that 10 things in that 1 hour, I have not done this work also and not that those 10 work also. So this is the one experience I share you. There's a lot of things I want to tell you, and lot of techniques and lot of tips you can get, so that you can improve not only just in coding but in your life, and also try to optimize the time which you have, because everyone has the same amount of time, but it depends upon you how you utilize it. And thus this concludes this video. If you have any suggestions or if you want more videos like that, you can comment out in the comment box. I will be love to replying you at all. I am on a verge of like reaching 5k subscribers, so do comment and do like and also subscribe to my channel, because I will be doing a live stream at my 5k like accomplishment. So let's see what will happen. Maybe it can happen before this new year. I'll hope so, but maybe I don't know. So I'll see you in the next one. Keep coding. Bye.